Good evening. Few days back it seemed like the market was headed only one way up, but the trend reversed suddenly last week with the main indices notching their first weekly loss of 2012. The downward spiral continued today as well, with the NSE Nifty logging its biggest single day fall since December 12. What's worse, the Nifty closed below 5,300 while the BSE Sensex ended below 17,500 levels. Today's fall was led by heavy selling seen in Realty Index, down by 5.2%, followed by the Metal Index, down by 4.9%. The BSE Power and Banking indices were down by 3.9% and 3.5% respectively. On the other hand, only the BSE FMCG ended with positive bias, adding 0.3%. The Sensex was down by 478 points to close at 17,445, and the NSE Nifty was down by 148 points to close at 5,281. The advanced decline ratio on the BSE was in the favor of bears. On the BSE, 2,210 stocks declined against 649 advancing stocks, while only 85 stocks were unchanged. The BSE Midcap Index and the BSE Small Cap Index lost approximately 3.2% and 3% respectively. The Indian VIX shot up over 10% today, closing at 27.38. The undercurrent was hit by worries over rising oil prices and its impact on inflation. Reports also said that the government was considering a hike in the prices of petrol and diesel. Any fresh spike in inflation could prompt the RBI to postpone the proposed reduction in interest rate. On the other hand, liquidity remains tight. The government's fiscal situation is also not conducive. The trade and current account deficit too are widening. All this calls for continued caution. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.